How to make Windows 10 Bsod show more details like older versions of Windows. I would like to know if there's any way to make Windows 10 show more details when crashing like Windows 7 did. In Windows 10, the blue screen of death hides the parameters of the kernel panic. The MSDN article Blue Screen Data explains how to attach a debugger in the section titled Reading Bug Check Information from the Debugger. Motivation. I have a Bsod issue right now, Microsoft Support Forums post. If you can help with it, it would be great. We do need the actual log files, called .dmp files, as they contain the only record of the sequence of events leading up to the crash, what drivers were loaded, what was responsible, etc. Answer the own question from Microsoft. Thanks for the help. I just had to reinstall my Windows using the UEFI method. It seems my BIOS firmware has buggy legacy support, I think. When I'm using UEFI method to boot into a new version of Ubuntu, there are no kernel panics. Everything runs smoothly.
The other answer does provide a way to get a more verbose blue screen message. However, post-event, as you may miss the screen showing up, it still outputs dump files in the same way that older versions of Windows did with more information. You can read these dumps using WinDbg debugging tools for Windows, or Nisoft Blue Screen View, an easier-to-use alternative that has the ability to mock up a blue screen like the one you're referring to. Blue screen dumps are, by default, saved in %systemroot%\memory.dmp for complete memory dumps, or in %systemroot%\minidump as minidumps. You can change this setting by pressing Win+X, System, Advanced System Settings, Startup and Recovery Settings. The drop-down box at the bottom states what you're currently using. I would recommend minidumps, as this way you can keep several of them without them overwriting each other.
I would like to know if there's any way to make Windows 10 show more details when crashing like Windows 7 did. Yes, you can. Navigate to this registry entry. hkey_local_machine /system/current control set /control/crash control. Create a new dword value named display parameters and set to 1. Restart, and next time as Bsods it will show you the old blue screen with error message.
Yes,